I am Prisca. I come from Italy, and I have found out about your academy through a mutual friend. So I was researching some massage therapy courses in Nepal, because I had had a very short, brief experience back in Italy, and when I came to Nepal, I wanted to pick that up again. But I was looking for something which was structured and professionally oriented, not just a 2-3 week course oriented as a hobby, let's say. I found a few schools in Tamil which were very foreign oriented, and I believe they might have a very very good teaching as well, but I thought it was more endearing to me to be in a school where the community was more Nepali, and people are building up a profession for themselves in here, and so I thought AIPA was a good choice. I'm an architect, and I work a lot on the computer, so unfortunately I have many syndromes of people working nowadays in front of a computer. Mainly I had a problem with my hand, and I had a lot of pain on my hand a few years back, and through regular medicine, which I definitely believe in, I could not get to the bottom of it, and it was very invalidating for me. I couldn't work for a while. And it was a huge problem. So trying to find some alternative solutions, I was recommended an acupressure therapy. So I went for a few treatments, and from 1 up to 3 times that I had this treatment, this pain on my arm completely went away. And it was absolutely a mind-blowing experience for me, which I'm a very skeptical and practical person, and I had always had an interest in massage, actually, so I had always had a belief for the benefits that massage can bring to your body, but this was beyond magical. So I was left very much interested, and in Italy I wanted eventually to do an acupressure course, so I started my formation, my education in acupressure. When I came to Nepal, I wanted to further that and dive a little bit deeper and have a more general knowledge of the body, and I thought that a massage course with classical massages could help do that for me. So that's why I'm a little bit new to this environment, but I think like maybe one of the things that stuck with me the most when I came here and I wanted to learn massage was one of the first things that one of the teachers said, and what it was that our touch should be the touch of a mother on some people's body, on the person, the client that you're treating. So maybe I tried to keep that in mind. I think that was obviously then the technique came in and all the different suggestions, but I think that also what I take back from the school is the approach with which you should treat a client. And so really to think, I also very much enjoyed that there is attention both to the whole process, not just the physical process, but the fact that the person should be comfortable, and that you should be attentive to towels and how the person is, if it's warm, if it's cold. All of the ambience is very important for the experience to be good. Technically, I was very happy about the instruction here. I think the instructors were very understanding, very friendly. Always had a smile on their face, and they will tell you 1,000 times again if you haven't understood it well, or if you're repeating it in the wrong way. There is a lot of tolerance for mistakes, and they really I had the feeling that they really wanted you to enjoy the process. And also, I thought it was important that it was, I had the feeling that it was tailored to everybody's experience. I came in wanting to do 3 massage exams, and some other people came in with the same idea, and then in the end somebody did 3 exams, somebody did just 1, and I think that is because it is taken seriously to really understand, and so everybody has their own pace. and to learn. And I think there was a lot of flexibility on this. No, absolutely not. I never felt any kind of difficulty here or uneasiness. I have never seen so many happy people. The energy is really nice. Everybody is very welcoming. There's also great communication. Everybody speaks great English, and they want you to learn in English the right, correct vocabulary for medical therapy treatment. So no, they're absolutely amazing people. I think you can start at any age. I think the people attending these classes come from very different backgrounds, and somebody wants to make them their profession, somebody don't. Age-wise, there's a big variety. So I think that it's also a very interesting thing of the course. Now that you make me think about it, I think I always prefer groups which are mixed, and I think there was a lot of variety here, so everybody is welcome, I guess. Yeah. Prego.